Hey everyone, today I will be teaching you how to graph and find the slope of a line on a graph. So what does that mean? You're probably not wondering. Well, basically, it's just like putting points on a graph like you did back in 7th grade, but with just a little added catch to it. First thing you want to do is take your points and plot them on the graph. This is the easy part. I assume we've all done this before, but just in case, I'll reiterate how to do it. The numbers on the left is your x variable, and the one on the right is the y. These numbers correspond to the x and y axis respectively. So this is where you should start from. You should then move upwards on the y-axis to the corresponding y number. Be sure you do this twice since you have 2 points. Does that all make sense? Okay, so now for the new part. To find the actual slope, you're going to have to draw a line between the 2 points plotted on the graph. Then you must count the amount of spaces between the two numbers to find your rise over the run. Once you have these two numbers, put them over each other like a fraction. This is what is called the rise over run, or your slope. You know if it's positive or negative if you have to count left or down when counting your spaces. This makes the corresponding numbers negative. I still see a few confused faces, so I'll provide an example to elaborate a little bit more. So the points we have are 10, 7, and 4 and 5. Now we have to put them on the graph. Does anyone want to come up and do that? I'll take that as a no from everybody. Well, remember, you have to draw a line, right? Okay, now what do you do? Wow, you guys are a really great bunch, huh? Well, if you remember, you gotta count the spaces to find your rise over run. Come on, guys, please, engage. I need to know that you're actually paying attention. So, we end up with the numbers 2 and 6. I'm gonna go ahead and assume that nobody wants to come up and help, so I'll make the fraction. 2 over 6, and once you simplify that, it's 1 over 3. That's your rise over run, or your slope. I hope everyone enjoyed that lesson. Do we have any questions?
Yes, I have a question.
Well, what is it?
Well, actually, it's not a question, but I just want to say that you're really, really stupid and